Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to increase PowerShell font size on Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To increase PowerShell font size on Windows 10 computer, click on search and type PowerShell. Right click on PowerShell and click on Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. PowerShell has been opened. Now, to increase the font of PowerShell, just right click on the address bar and then click on Properties. In Properties, you will find Font tab. Just click on Font tab and here you will find the font size. You can change the size from here. I am going to change the size to 28. Now click on OK. Look, the PowerShell font size has been increased on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.